Hello guys, welcome to this video. Here in this video, we are going to understand in a very simple step how to install Flutter. Remember that this information which I am explaining in this video is also valid for Linux, for Mac, for other platform also. So you required two SDK for installing Flutter. One is Dart SDK, second is Flutter SDK. You will have such kind of zip file if you are using Windows platform. If you are using iOS platform or Linux platform, then file extension will be different as per the platform requirement. So this just we need to unzip. So Flutter I download, I unzip here, then I this unzip here, and from where we have to download, just for this you have to type here Dart SDK. First link you will have, click on this, and remember that you go there and there is a archive, SDK archive. Go there. I use this, that's why I'm telling you like this. So this is the stable version 3.9.3. so this is the latest version right now on 9th of September. So just click here and download. Once you click on this, you will be able to download this type of zip file. If you will unzip it, you will have such kind of information inside this. Remember that I am using for Windows platform here, but you can go for other platform also which you require, like Linux you need. So you can go there, you can use these commands, automatically these zip will be installed, or you can download .deb file also, or manually you can install, whatever you prefer. It depends on you what kind of platform you have and you want to use these instructions. If you follow these instructions, then you would be able to install. Otherwise, download this and install as you install application on Linux. On Mac also, you can officially go there and do this. Otherwise, you can go there and download the SDK and unzip there, set the path, and you would be able to use it. So this is the different process for platform. Now if you want to download Flutter SDK, so simple, just Flutter SDK, go to this, choose your platform. Here we have a platform, whatever you prefer. I have a window, so I will click here, but if you have a Mac, click here. So on Windows, just go there, then click on desktop, and you go there, you will have this file 3.35.3. remember that the same SDK I have 3.35.3, 3.35. This is the same zip file I have. So you can download this. Once you download, I have downloaded for Windows platform. You can download for Mac also. On Mac also we have a steps, go there and follow the steps. For web also you have a steps, follow those steps. So depend on your version or on your platform which you have, and do that. Now I'm closing this, no need of this. So once you unzip these, you have to set the path. For that, type here in search env environmental variables. You have to search out like this, then you have to go to the path. Remember that I have the path here. So this is the Dart path which I have, and I need to show here in system. You can set path in this portion also or this portion also. It depends on you what you are using. So I have a path here. So you see that I am using here as a Flutter path I have set here. This is the Flutter. Just you have to copy the path and create new and set your path here. Just easy. Similarly, I have Dart also here. So Dart path I also install here. So you may install all together, but by chance I have path here also for current user, and this is for all user. So depend on you. You can use here also, you can use here also. Same thing are there, just you have to set the path. So once you set the path, remember, now you have to test yourself that these are installed or not. For that, just open cmd command prompt, and here you just write here Dart version, and you will see that if you will have the version of Dart here like this, that means Dart is okay and installed. Similarly, if you say Flutter version like this, so you will have all the requirement which is used by the Flutter, means SDK also tested, engine also tested, framework also tested, and Flutter library also tested like this. So that means Flutter is also installed in your machine. So these two commands are most important to check. Now, if you are having Mac platform, or you have a Windows platform or Linux platform, after doing that, you have to run one command. You have to say Flutter doctor. This command will test your machine and it will tell you that what software is required to run Flutter. Remember that I have installed each and everything which is required by Flutter doctor, but on your machine, remember that here it searching VS Code also, Visual Studio. For desktop application, this is Visual Studio build tool that is required to run your Flutter application on Windows platform. But if you are using Mac platform, then this application would be different. If you are using Linux platform, then this requirement is different. Remember that. This is requirement only for Windows application. Then Chrome is also installed. Android toolchain is also, because I am using Android Studio, so that is also, Windows version is also valid, Flutter is also, VS Code is also, connected devices also available, 3 devices is also available, means we have a desktop connected, we have emulator connected, we have a Chrome connected, that's why it's showing. Network means internet is also connected, so no issue found here. But when you will run this command on Linux or Mac or other platform, then it will tell you the requirement. Remember that individually you have to install all the software those required by Flutter Doctor here. So I have installed everything, but you have to install on your machine. It is different on each and every platform. If you are using Mac, then this requirement is different. If you are using Windows, this requirement is different. If you are using Linux, then this requirement is different. Remember that. Run this command, complete your all the installation or required software, then come to the next video where I will integrate this Flutter with Android Studio. So how you can use Android Studio, I will explain in the next. So that's all here. Thank you for watching this video.